friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, I have something I've been needing for quite a while now. This is a new pressure washer. This is the Patoolio 8850 pressure washer, advertising more power and smaller size, which is really good because some of these get kind of out of control size-wise. This is how it comes, a very nice little box, as you can see. Talks about the different benefits here. The weight is 17.5. 12-month warranty. That's really good. 12-month warranty? Heck yeah. 16.4 foot high pressure hose, super long. 13-foot power cord. That's awesome. Works in degrees of 34 Fahrenheit to 104, and it's 1800 watts max. So really cool stuff. So it's powerful again and small, which is really good. And this is what I consider to be a heavy duty power washer for, you know, sidewalks, gutters, car washing, you know, lots of good stuff you can do with this. On the side here, it shows a few uses, things we were just talking about. Washing off sidewalks, washing off dirty rims, that's a really good use for it. Cleaning off wood, and even like chairs and furniture, so really good stuff, you know. Basically, the secret to this is that it has a special turbo motor here. Let me go ahead and try and pull this back for you. It has a special turbo motor that is 30% more power and smaller even, so really cool stuff. It really packs that water through, which is awesome, okay? And on the back here, we talk about some features and such. I'm not gonna go through all the comments here, but talks about being convenient, versatile, efficient, safe and reliable, portable and lightweight, and of course, powerful. That's the most important part, okay? Technical data, power input is 120, okay? Max power is 1800 watts. The motor is at 8850, and basically the water temperature is 34 to 104, okay? So, and it does have TSS safety lock too, which is really good too. So, very cool stuff. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we're doing on the inside. This box is very heavy, despite being very small compared to some other power washers I've had in the past. So let's go ahead and see what we have here in the box, see what assembly is like. This is more of an unboxing than an assemble, but we're going to go ahead and assemble it kind of as we're taking a look at it. So we'll check this all out together. It comes very safely sealed from Amazon, so I like that. And before I go further, there will be a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link too, okay? All right, let's go ahead and open this up here. First off, we're greeted with, looks like we got some screws. Talks about the power hose, the different attachments. Looks like it even comes with a foam cannon, so that's pretty cool. And we got some basic instructions here, along with some screws and washers. So very cool, everything we need. In fact, we'll take out the little, hopefully this has got some good assembly here too, because I'm not the best at putting things together. So if I can do it, you guys can do it, okay? Talks about hooking up the hoses. Let's see here. Talks about putting the pieces together. You know, I think this is kind of pretty much assembled except for the wheels and such. These are the parts. Lots of cool stuff. All right, let's go ahead and pull the parts out of the box and kind of see what's doing here. We'll put the screws here to the side. And we got lots of little things here. We have some 2 wheels. Very nice. And we have 2 more wheels, so it's nice. That's a 4-wheeler. And let's go ahead and pull this out here. This is the main base of the unit right here. And you can see it's not super big, so that's awesome. That should make this nice and easy to transport. So very good stuff. We'll flip this around here. Small but powerful. Looks very nicely made. It's plastic, but it feels very, very secure, which is good. We have part of the attachment for the hose right here. Keep that high pressure water flowing. Here we have a very heavy duty hose. So very cool for keeping the pressure in there. No leaks, which is important. It comes with a foam cannon. That's pretty cool. Not all pressure washers actually come with a foam cannon, so that's a nice touch. Also inside here we have little plastic attachments for sticking in the foam cannon, making everything fit all nice together. Here's another piece for the wand. Very cool, with brass fittings, so that's a nice touch. And let's see, we're almost to the bottom here. These are the different nozzles for the different types of pressure. They're color coded, so that's really useful. Here's some more pieces for hooking the attachments onto the base unit. And then finally here we got the gun. Very cool, feels very good quality. It is plastic, nice and springy. And here are some more pieces for attaching accessories to the base unit. Now the included color chart here goes step by step of each little part, has a letter to it, and shows exactly how to assemble the pieces together. So this really is not hard at all, and if you follow the instructions here, this should really be a snap, literally. First thing we're going to do is take the little leg extensions here, and these just pop right in to the little grooves. You just kind of slap it in and push it up. Should be pretty simple to do. The wheels are very easy. They just kind of go in the hole. So once you have your 4 little extender legs in, you just take this and you just kind of pop it right in place. You feel a little click when it snaps in, and then you're good to go, and it spins very freely. So very good stuff. Okay, so here's our finished product, guys. And again, it was really a snap. Everything just kind of goes right together. There's 4 screws in the base by the wheels, and that's really the only screws or bolts or anything. Everything else just snaps in place. It could not be simpler. Trust me on this. Now spraying off, you can actually just use this again if you want, because it actually creates a really nice pressure. Check it out. Now putting the actual pressure hose here in the gun is very simple. All you have to do is stick it in and give it a twist. It's that simple. Really cool. Love the small profile of it. There's lots to love. 1800 watts of pure pressure. Lots of good stuff to go ahead and clean your car, your decks, and more. Okay, if you guys have any questions about this particular water pressure gun, let me know in the comments below, or shoot me an email, tuxtoys@gmail.com. But I think this could really go a long way to help you guys as far as cleaning things, speeding up the process, just making life easier for you. And the wheels even lock, so this will not move if you need it to. So really good stuff, guys.